welcome back. So last video, I think I was talking about cleaning up all the panels, which I've now done. I haven't been in here for about 3 weeks, just summer things, festivals, you know, getting having a bit of fun. So this is where I'm at. So I've got the front panel all prepped and weld through primer on, both the wings, both the A panels. I've actually gone and bought some U-pole weld through primer after speaking to Keith about the issues I was having with the spot welder. I also cleaned up the front, the scuttle and the closing panels, which I've kind of set this in place. I'm not going to spot weld that yet. All I want to do is get the closing panels welded on both sides. I mean, again, the moulding of these, I don't know if you can see, I mean, I have tapped that around a little bit, but this bit here seems a bit sharper than this bit here, and it's the same on the other side. It's not amazing, but I can work it. But yeah, so what I'm going to do is just get those closing panels welded on, and then I've also, if you remember from the last video, or whether it's on a bit earlier on, this piece was all rotten. It had repairs before. Where do I put that? 2 seconds. Oh, there it is. So that's the bit I cut out, and I've basically had to look at the other minis and online at the inner wings just to see how this all profiles and so on, because there was nothing really left to go to. So it looks like I've got all the profiles. There's a slight sort of bend there, there's a bend there, there's a little tab on the end at the bottom. So I've got that as good as I think I'm going to get that. So I'm just going to weld all these bits on, and then I can make the repair section for this side. Now thinking about it, should I copy the other side? No, that'd be too easy, wouldn't it? Got me thinking now. No, it's fine, I can just make it, I'll be able to make it up, it's fine. Yeah, so I'm going to get all those welded on, and then once I've done those 2 repairs, I can effectively, and done the closing panels, I'll leave the inner, the scuttle in place, put the wings and the front panel on, and just see how these bits actually line up before I start spot welding things on. So here we go. Not too bad. It is getting better. So that will clean up a lot better. Yeah. I think there's a couple of little pinholes I need to get, but other than that, all coming on nice. What do I do? What do I do? I'm actually quite pleased with that repair. What repair? Anyway, right, so that's on. Now I don't know what to do with this, to be honest. I know, so I'm probably gonna seal that with seam sealer and then give that a bit of a spray before I put the scuttle on. I know some people spot weld these and some people don't. So I suppose if it's not spot welded and that is sprayed and the inner side of the scuttle is sprayed, then there is less, you shouldn't get water in because of the rubber in theory, but condensation maybe getting in, at least then be able to run off. I mean, I will wax oil it with the Dynax stuff. Anyway, bit of lunch and I get on the other side. Right, on the other side now. The metal this side's a bit more unstable. I didn't do as much on this side as I did that side, just because of this grill. I didn't want to start unpicking all that, and so I've just kind of cut around it. So yeah, there's still remnants of the old crappy welding on there, so I've not got a great deal to weld to. So.
the other side done. It's not amazing, but it's okay.
this side was worse than the other side. So basically we're ready now to put the front end on. Well, a bit more prep work, but that's all. What else have I got to weld? I probably got to do these, but I can do them. Don't know. I might have to change the bonnet as well. There's holes in it. I'll have a look at that. Yeah, so next thing we will start. We'll put the scuttle on. Get all the wings and front end lined on and lined up with a view to start spot welding. Getting there. We are getting there.